welcome back. Day 11. We're leaving Dunfermline this morning. We're at the Premier Inn at the minute. Heading up to Pitlochry, the youth hostel up there. So we've got 60 miles, 3,000 and a bit feet of climbing. And it's a lovely day. The sun's out. Bit of a breeze and it's fairly fresh, but I've not got my rain jacket on today, which is always a positive. So yeah, let's crack on and see what today brings. Lisa's legs feeling reasonable, so we'll see. We've got bailout options if it totally goes, so fingers crossed we don't have to. Alright, let's get going. Yeah, it's a nice surprise. We're only a couple of miles out of Dunfermline and we're on an old railway. Don't know anything about it. Looks like it were a branch, the main line. We came over yesterday, it's just behind us, so it's obviously a branch off that going somewhere, but I've no idea where. But it's still nice to see. Ooh, I was wrong about the wind though. There's a fresh breeze. The sun's nice and warm, but there is quite a chilly breeze. Oh well, not raining. Look at this vista. Seen them here. Wow, awesome. Right, let's roll. And we've got some nice downhill. Oh yeah, there's some benches just down here, look. Stop on these. Look at this, beautiful. We're in Perth now, and here's an interesting fact about this river. And I bet Lisa don't know this. This was 80s pop duo Mel and Kim's favourite river. Tay, 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 Tay. This is the River Tay. Oh, cheesy. Lisa loves my cheesy jokes. Yeah, look at that, it's beautiful. Perth is stunning. You've got like this big churchy thing up here. I'll show you that in a bit, but look at the buildings. This riverfront is very, very European city-esque. And I know we're in Europe, but it's got that feel to it, especially when the sun's on. It's a nice day. So we're about halfway through the journey today. About half the climb's done, and half the mileage. So it's only 11 o'clock. So we're doing all right actually. We struggled the first 10 miles. Well, the first 7 miles out of Dunfermline was 1,000 feet of climbing, which was hard work, and it probably took me about 15 miles to get going today. But we're doing all right, aren't we? So yeah, we're just going to stop and have a snack, and then we're going to crack on in a bit. What? Yeah. Hello. Yeah, lovely here, isn't it? coming out of Perth now, I have to say. Perth's a beautiful place. Lovely cycling infrastructure. We've literally ran all the way along Harbour Road, all the way down the front on Tay Street, past all the bridges that cross the Tay, down through a beautiful park, a golf course, all along the side of the River Tay, and then we've come away from the River Tay and we're just running alongside this beautiful little babbling small river that feeds into the Tay. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning. So I just thought I'd document that, because Perth, they've got it down to a T. Superb, and a beautiful, beautiful place to visit. Anyway, let's crack on. 28 to Pitlochry. Right there. The River Tay. Look at that. Beautiful. I'll have a lovely place, that. What a beautiful road. Nice, steady descent. Lovely woodland all around. It's like a balcony road you'd get on a mountainside just coming down. It's beautiful round here. This really has been the nicest day so far, I think. Stunning. The A9 right down below us, I can just see it right at the bottom of the hillside next to the trees. Oh, bit of cyclocross skills coming in there. Oh, the last 2 days of storm really has brought some stuff down. Some massive trees down earlier today, hugely rare. Look at that. Beautiful. River Tay again, look. Stunning. Alright, love. 6 miles to Pitlochry. Coming up the National Cycle Network alongside the A9 on what I assume is the old road before the A9 was built. Lovely now, repurposed for cyclists. Bit covered in debris in places because of the storms, but spot on. course they were in the field.
It's coming back.
Help! Okay. Come on, I've got no motor and I'll beat you up. Come on.
You've done a cracking mileage today, you two.
We have, we're not messing.
Oh, yeah.
Help. What? I thought they were all e-bikers then, they're not, are they? Where are they going? Where are they going? Oh, okay. Where are they going from? There's still quite a few behind you. We'll wait for this lady. Tuck in, love, and this lady can squeeze past.
Thank you.
No probs. Gives me a chance for a breather and a photo, doesn't
That's
it?
all right, I don't have to rush then.
No, you're alright.
Thanks.
Sort your bike. No, you're alright. You're alright. Oh, sorry. I tell you what, I'm not very photogenic. I'll get out of the way.
yeah.
Thank you very much. On road here. I wonder how much it cost them for a taxi to curb. Shocking bit of parking. You're not talking now.
No, because you put camera on.
Lisa's just said she was extremely concerned this morning setting off from Dunfermline. But she don't feel bad. Is your leg alright?
It's alright, but touch wood, it's not too bad. The bruising seems to have gone down a bit.
Yeah. So we've got 3 big days left. 84 miles tomorrow.
84?
Yeah, to just south of Inverness. And then the day after's up to Craskin. The day after that's to Thurso, and then on the Sunday, we've got 21 mile to Thurso and 21 back.
I can't wait for that 21 mile day.
I know, but day 11's done. And I have said that was probably one of my favourite days. I really enjoyed it. Perth was beautiful. But we came, Dunkeld was nice, we came through some lovely places, and even the climbs didn't seem that bad. What do you reckon?
I think, yeah, it's been a nice day. The scenery has been amazing.
Yeah.
And we saw a Scottish piper.
We did. We saw Rowdy Roddy Piper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. So, day 12 tomorrow, big one. But about the same amount of climbing as we've done today, so not too bad. So yeah, Pitlochry looks lovely. So we're just waiting to check into the hostel now. Right, so we'll see you tomorrow. Pitlochry. It's not bad, is it?